This is the secret of Twitter. Hey guys, I'm bringing to you guys the secret of Twitter and how you can be successful on Twitter. I've been there, I know what it feels like, and I know how it feels to be a Twitter content creator without making those coins, right? This is the secret of Twitter. Twitter is a platform where you need to be in a group. Yes, if you move alone on Twitter, you can succeed on Twitter, but your growth will be stagnant or a bit slow, because when you're moving in a group, it makes the work easy. Like they always say, a work done in group is a work well done, something like that. And a work done by one person is also a work well done, but it might take ages to actually see that the work is well done because you're taking so much time to put into the work, right? So this is what happens on Twitter. You need to have a group chat. Let's have a pep talk at this point. You need to be in a group chat. You need to have like a clique, not necessarily a clique, but you can work alone, but you need to have a group chat. What I mean by group chat is that you need to have a group chat where you can communicate, get information, get reliable sources, get adverts reach out, brands reach out to you via that group chat, and get to learn a lot of things. If you work alone on Twitter, no group chat, no information, just one man on itself, you will be successful. Let me not lie. But it will take you a lot of stress and a lot of work. So jump into a group chat today to make money on Twitter. Let me explain how you can make over $500 on Twitter into two places. The first way to make $500 on Twitter is by ads revenue. Yes, it will take you roughly over 4 months to make $500 on Twitter through ads revenue. If you follow these steps of mine, first and foremost, get a verified group chat where there's over 100 to 200 verified content creators. Keyword: content creators that are over 100 to 200 verified group. Then follow the rules and regulations. Create content, at least 7 content per day, and be consistent with it for like 2 weeks. You should be able to see at least $50 to $60 at the end of that 2 weeks. If you're consistent with this for like 4 months, what is $300 you cannot make? You see, what is $300 you cannot make if you're consistent with this format for the next 3 months? But if you want to make higher money, $500, $600 on just Twitter, you need to go join a group chat. You have to make friends. You need to relate to other content creators like you. You need to reach out to content creators that are better than you, have more numbers than you, have more influence than you, and create a relationship with them whereby they see you as not a competition, as someone that also wants to learn, and that way you end up getting a lot of works on PROs from brands. I remember doing my first PRO for a brand on Twitter through somebody. I didn't know the person, but we just met on Twitter and we chatted. We do drop comments for each other on our post, and we do engage each other's content, and we follow each other back. And when the brand wanted to reach out to more influencers, they were like, he wanted, to reach. He then reached out to me and was like, what I was interested in doing this PR. I was like, okay, no problem, and I did the PR. So for you to be successful on Twitter, please join a group chat. I know you might have, I must say it 50 times in this video. Without a group chat, you can be successful. But if you want to start out newly, our advice, join a group chat. And when you get into that group chat, learn and pick people you can relate with, people to relate with, and they can help your life on Twitter. Like I always say, Twitter is about a group of friends that I really want you to thrive and help each other and support each other on Twitter. And this is it. Join a group chat of people that are really of the same goal, which is making a lot of money while on Twitter, and engage with them. That's the first thing I have to do. Second thing I have to do is, yes, ads revenue. Join another group chat of verified content creators. Keyword: verified content creators that also want to make replies and comments for each other to make money via ad revenue. Understand? That's another way you can make good money from Twitter. I feel like I made a post in the description of explaining how you can make money from Twitter aside ads revenue. I made a post in the description. I explained everything I'm saying here already in details in that particular video. And this is the secret of Twitter. I'm giving you guys this secret for free, and all you can do for me now is just to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And I will see you guys on another video of mine.